What's your favorite food? What do you like to eat?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah.
Oh. What do you like to drink?
Juice.
Juice? What else?
Coconut.
That's right. What's your favorite song? What a pizza. Can you sing it? Good job. What's it called? Is that Circle of
Life.
Circle of Life? Good job.
Circle of Life.
Yeah. What a smart boy. What's your favorite book?
Oh, I'm stuck.
You're stuck.
Yeah.
What's your favorite book?
Yeah, my feet.
What's your favorite book?
No.
Mickey book.
Mickey book.
Okay, for one more time, show us how old are you going to be on your fingers?
Yeah,